Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A very good day to all of you. In this lecture, we're going to go into module B, which is the muscarinic receptor antagonist or the parasympatholytics. Okay. So now you have seen earlier the agonist for the cholinergic receptor. So we're going to go into the antagonist. Okay, so the muscarinic receptor antagonist, the one that will actually act on the postsynaptic nerves. Okay, it will act on the receptor on the postsynaptic nerves, and what it does is that the antagonist will bind to the muscarinic receptor, but it doesn't switch it on. Yeah, it only blocks it. So the way, if you want to think about it, is like it's a plug but no play at all. One of the earliest derivative with a really good medicinal value is atropine. It is extracted from Atropa belladonna, yeah? And Atropa is one of the Greek myths, and Belladonna stands for woman, a lady, and Donna is beautiful. At one point, ladies will put a few drops of this extracted atropine because they wanted to make their eyes look bigger. So let's take an example. This is the normal undilated eyes. Yeah. Once you put a few drops on that, what happens is that the smooth muscle around the eye will then relaxes, and then will help to dilate the pupil. So the eyes will actually look bigger, more beautiful. So this is what ladies back then in the 1800, 1700 use before they see their boyfriends.